Good evening. I'm Jed, kapatid po ni Jude, and I'm also on behalf of my Kuya Miggy's kapatid po, si Kuya Popot. Ako din po mag-serve bilang best man din po since he wasn't able to make it. And of course, first of all, thank you po. Thank you for this opportunity. First of all, sa aking kapatid, ang daragang, one and only daragang Magyar ng Albay, si Jody. And ang Alden Richards po ng Cavite, dito na po siya. So, it's an incredible honor po to share their testimony firsthand. I was able to get them know better po, barely by keeping me in after my graduation po sa place nila sa Cavite. Super thankful, and overall, if I would share their journey, I think it would resonate to everyone because their life story was really full of trials and challenges po. And despite nung everything that has happened these past days, and I'm super thankful po for everyone for making it. And their story, if I would share po, it was, if I could share important keywords, it would be po, choice, commitment, and care. As you can see po, as a best man po, Kuya Miggy, I have witnessed po his efforts all throughout these months, years po, Lord. For Lord, I thank Him for Kuya Miggy. Siyempre po, for going the distance. Taga Cavite pa po si Kuya Miggy, but everything happened in this place in God's time po. He was able to make it here. Natuloy po ang lahat. And it was really an inspiration po that we are standing here in this moment po, Lord, for this joyous and momentous moment. Kuya Miggy, thank you for being inspiration. Thank you for sharing what it's like to love, to commit, and make a big choice. And for this, I want all the best for you. And I will be always here to support you both. Congratulations, everyone. Yeah, let's give them a big round of applause po.
Maraming